Dad, this is crashed off. Just went back to menu, but now it's perfect. Hey guys, this is stop. Hey guys, this is Jason HD. There's something that this is. Angry Birds stuffed animals. That birds that feed the pigs. We captured the birds. All three of the pigs are laughing. They're having their evil acts. I'm George the monkey. What is going on? Okay. Okay, so. Wait. Okay. Emmett Pig, can you get the birds? Okay. Okay, got the birds. Let us go. Yeah. Me too. Yeah, me 3. I meant me 4. Never. We'll never let you go. Yeah. Yeah. I wish Blackbird was here. Yeah. Dexter, do you know your wish is granted? He's over there. Well, what if Terrence helped us? I'm tired, shut up. Okay, that wasn't a good idea. Terrence is sleeping. What about Emmett Pig? Robert's in that mountain. Where is he? He's in the mountain. He's under the SpongeBob pillow. Why? Because. What the heck? So. Wait, who'd you say that was here? Yeah. Bombird. Space Bombird. Bombird, come on! Save us! Help me! Huh? Who said that? Bombird, how have you escaped? Haven't you escaped yet? No. Why? Ah! Now I'm even more stuck. Well, I can only blow up when I'm angry, and I told you 1,000,000 times that. Well, you better be angry now because the pigs are cooking our eggs. I'm so angry, I'm gonna blow up. Destroy it. Low battery. Destroy it. I know. Okay. Destroy the battery. Come on. Open it. Open up. Open up. Come on. Open up. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh, you're looking at. Oh! We saved the day. Post a comment and subscribe. Bye. What about me? Or me? I'm a bird. You might be wondering what kind of bird I am. I'm an ice bird. And I'm from space. I'm an ice bird. I can spin the 3. And we got to get your pistol out of the way, King Pig. Sorry. We finally have our eggs. Subscribe. Bye. These videos were created by JC from the Deneen family. Subscribe and comment. Bye. This is JC the BC. Subscribe, comment. Bye.
Good job, JC. Okay, let's watch it now.